Hello again! We are back for another episode of Park Hyatt at Home. I'm your chef, Matt. Zoe is on location, and we are here for part 3 of our Thanksgiving extravaganza. This episode, we're going to talk about turkey. It's not a normal Thanksgiving, right? So I got the world's smallest turkey here. I'm going to use this to demonstrate how I would prep a whole turkey if I was going to roast a whole turkey. What are we supposed to do with this huge turkey? I don't even know. How are we even going to fit it in that tiny oven? What I also bought here is a turkey breast roast. Okay, so 2 different techniques here. Technique number 1.
We're gonna bring y'all down to New Orleans, show y'all how we do it, y'all. If you're feeling good tonight, let me hear y'all down. Everybody say Dale, 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 Dale. We say Dale, say Dale, Dale, Dale. We say Dale, Dale. We say Dale, Dale. Everybody say Dale.
Let's talk a little bit about seasoning. I'm sure you've all heard about brining turkeys. I do not believe in wet brining turkeys. That's where you get your huge bag or bucket, you make a saltwater solution, you submerge the turkey in the brine, it takes up all the space in your fridge, it's a big mess. You don't need to do that. I'm going to talk about dry brining. Okay, roasting time. Get yourself a big old bunch of foil, mirepoix, bottom of the pan. Another key step for carving your bird, remove the wishbone. I know. Okay, home stretch time. Pretty good. Taste. Okay, so our tiny Barbie turkey is done.
So we make a different video, and then we put it in the background, and then we play.
Okay, well, how am I going to put it in the background? We're filming it right now.
Mommy, no! Stop saying that I should be in the Barbie life in the dream house.
You're not going to live in the Barbie dream house?
No!
Oh.
Why does everyone keep telling me
Okay.
this?
You don't have to live in the dream house. You don't have to live in the Barbie dream house. Cheers. This is weird, huh? I just think that, it's been a really hard year for everybody. And Thanksgiving, don't eat that. Thanksgiving is a holiday. Let's not think too much about the history and the origins. Let's think about the meaning of Thanksgiving and about being thankful for what we do have and being thankful for our families. Okay? So from all of us here at Super Chef Dad,
That's me, Rapunzel, and my dad.
wishing you a happy Thanksgiving.
And all the rest of the videos, we were just dressed up.
But the cooking was real.
Yeah, and
And the food was yummy some of the times, right?
And all the rest was real. So remember this, people in the whole entire universe. Bye.
Happy Thanksgiving. Can you say happy Thanksgiving to everybody?
Happy bananas.
Come on, one nice one.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Banana. Happy Thanksburgers.
I'll take it.